Grove's literacy partnerships work together to help all students shine brightly through evidence-based literacy instruction. Our method is rooted in decades of literacy and brain research and designed for all learners, bringing the science of reading to teachers and schools within our community and across the country. GLP launched in 2016 with 2 public charter schools serving 350 students. Today, GLP has ignited and spread to 72 schools and over 500 classrooms, serving more than 10,000 students in public, charter, and independent schools throughout the Twin Cities metro area. I'd like to give you the opportunity to see inside a first grade classroom, to watch a teacher and Grove's coach engaged in a series of multimodal activities. Let's take a peek.
We are going to start today's lesson with an exercise. What I want for you to do is to listen to the 2 words that I'm going to tell you, and I want you to tell it back to me. After you repeat those words, then I want you to tell me what the first sound you heard was. Float, frown. Float, frown. What sound did you hear? Good. All right, here's another one. Snooze, slice. Snooze, slice. What sound did you hear? Excellent. Good. Glove, grape. Glove, grape. What sound? G, g, good. Plum, prize. Plum, prize. Good, that was like a puff of air. Good. Brown, blank. Brown, blank. Good. Now, I'm going to take my tappers out, and I'm going to take some of those phonemes. What's a phoneme?
A sound.
A sound, good. I'm going to take some phonemes and I'm going to blend them together. Your job is to put them together and tell me the word, okay? Here we go. St, a, m, p. Stomp. Good. Ch, ooze. Choose. Place. Place. Good. Crisp. Crisp. Good. Shrimp. Shrimp. Excellent. Flop. Flop. Good. Splash. Splash. I need to see everybody. Blind. Blind. Chance. Chance. Slept. Slept. Good. I'm going to give you a word, and then you are going to tap out the sounds, okay? The word is chimp. What word?
Chimp. Chimp.
Excellent. Flute.
Flute. Flute. Flute.
Grapes.
Grapes. Grapes.
I think we missed one. Let's try it. What was the word? Grapes. Grapes. Great.
Boys and girls, did you notice something about that word?
Yeah. Yeah.
What did you notice, Josie?
That there was a suffix.
There was a suffix at the end. So my question to you is, what was the base word? Hallie?
Grape.
Grape. So when we tap out a word that has a suffix at the end, we leave out the suffix. Let's try it one more time.
So in this phonemic awareness exercise, you can tap it because we're just listening for sounds at this point. But you're right, when we're spelling it or reading it, we'll do the base and then add the suffix.
Okay, let's try it one more time though. Ready?
Great.
Good. Everybody together. The word is smash.
Smash. Smash. Smash.
Plant.
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 Good. Froze.
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 Good. Blend.
Blend.
Nice job. Twist.
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 Stack.
Stack.
Crowd.
Crowd. Crowd. Crowd.
Excellent job. Good work, guys. I'm going to point to a letter on our pocket chart. And what I want to hear is first the name of the letter and then the sound, okay? Good. What did they have in common?
Vowels.
How did you know they were vowels?
Because they're blue.
Good job. One more question though. What sound did they make? Was it a long or a short sound? Short. Good.
Beep. Peep.
Good. P. P. Good.
Deed.
Good. One more. Now, what did they have in common?
Consonant.
Good. And you knew because they were?
One.
Excellent. All right, here we go.
CH. CK. WH. TH.
We can do it again.
CH.
Good. What did they have in common?
Diagram.
Good. They were digraphs. Why is it that they are all on one card and not two? I saw 2 letters in each.
Because they make one sound.
Real quick, friends. Are you ready? Sight words. Remember, sight words are words we cannot tap out. They do not follow the rules. Oh, slow down. Good. We're back at the beginning. Good job. We are going to learn something new. And that something new is called an R-controlled vowel. Okay? When a vowel is followed by the letter R, it makes a different sound. It's called an R-controlled vowel. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you a key card. Thank you very much. All right. Now repeat after me. A-R, oh, hold on. Let me do it first, and then I'll have you repeat. A-R star R.
A-R star R.
Good job. O-R fork or.
O-R, fork, or.
Awesome. Good job. Okay, I'm going to put them up here so we can remember them. There we go. And I'm going to build a word. So when I'm building a word, I want you to keep your eyes up here on the pocket chart and to yourself, try to whisper tap it, okay? And then we will work it out together. Here we go. Okay, tappers.
Far.
Good
So
job.
for AR, how many taps are we going to make?
One.
Good job. All right, now I'm going to put this one back, but help me spell it away. Ready? F. M. Farm. Good. Now that we have the hang of it, I think that we can build some more words, okay? Oh, whisper tap to yourself. Oops, there goes that one. All right, tappers. Charm. Good. In this word, friends, what did that vowel sound like?
R.
Yeah. Was that different?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why was it different? Lyric.
Because it only makes one sound.
Yeah, it only makes one sound. What makes it make only one sound? Ethan.
The R.
The R. Excellent. This word charm, friends, that's a new word for us. Can anybody tell me what they think charm means? Josie.
Like a charm on a bracelet.
If I were to put that in a sentence, I'd say she wore her charm necklace to the play. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's spell it away. C-H-A-R-M. Good work. All right, next one. Here we go. Whisper tap to yourself. Whisper tap. Good job. All right, everybody, tappers. Storm. Good. In this word storm, what did the vowel sound like? Josie. Or. So what made it different? Lyric.
R.
The R, because it is a R-controlled vowel. Good. Do you see a blend or a digraph in this word? Ethan.
I see the consonant blend.
You see a consonant blend. Where?
ST in the front.
ST in the front. So if I take ST and I blend it together, what is it going to sound like? Tavia. What?
RM.
RM. There was another one. Good. So we had one in the beginning and one in the back. What does RM together sound like? Good. Let's spell it away. S-T-O-R-M. I liked how you guys did that with me. All right, last one.
And here I would ask about the nasal sound.
Okay, tappers. Ram. Good. In this word, did you hear a nasal sound? Yeah. What was the nasal sound? Am. Good. A-M makes that nasal sound. Excellent. Let's spell it away. R-A-M. Here we go. Good job.
Everybody, we're going to learn 2 new sight words. How many sight words will we learn? Just 2. What is special about a sight word? We can't tap it out. Are the letters going to follow the rules that we know? No. So that's what makes it a sight word. So I'm going to tell you the word. The word is bolt. You say it. Bolt. Bolt. Now it really has kind of 2 meanings. It could be a metal piece that tries to hold things together. That's a bolt. It might be an action, like you bolt across the room, which means to move very fast. Now let's think about the sounds we hear in the word bolt. What's the first sound you hear? B. What's next? O. And then? O. And then? Very nice. So I'm going to write the letters that do follow our words. Our first sound was B, right? That follows the rules. Now our next sound was B. O. Okay, that's not going to follow the rules, so I'm going to draw a line there. And then O, that follows our rules. And the final sound was oh, very nice. Okay, you remembered that very well. Okay, so I want you to watch as I write in the letter that is not going to follow the rules. All right. What letter did I write? O. What sound does O usually make? Ah. Do you hear ah in the word bolt? No, I don't either. That's why this is a sight word. All right, so now what I want you to do is take a look at this word. You could take a look at it there or here. And then we're going to close our eyes or look down and try and write it in our brains. We're going to visualize it And then look back at the word and see if it looked the same. Okay, eyes are open, looking at. Now, skywriting. Show me how you put your skywriters out, now nice and straight, 2 fingers. We're gonna look at the word and spell it. Ready? B-O-L-T, bolt. Now wait a second, if I'm going like this, is my shoulder moving? No, that's not why I need nice straight arms. Let's do it another time and look at the card. And we're saying it out loud as we spell. Ready? B-O-L-T, bolt. Okay, now we're going to take 2 fingers and on the carpet, we're going to write the word bolt. B-O-L-T, bolt. Do it one more time. B-O-L-T, bolt. Now I have a second sight word that we're going to learn today. And this sight word is a little bit like the other one, okay? So the word is colt. What was it? Colt. A colt is a small baby horse, and it's a small male baby horse. So let's talk about the sounds in that. What's the first sound in colt? And then next is, and then, you told me the first sound was k, right? And that is going to follow our rules. Look at what letter I wrote. Now, the next sound, k, o, is not going to follow the rules. I'm going to make a line. The next sound was oh, that's going to follow our rules. And the final sound, nice, also follows our rules. Okay, now I bet you can guess which letter I'm going to write here. Okay, I want you to answer that question or think about it in your head and see if you were right. Was that the letter you were thinking I was going to write?
Yeah.
What letter did I write?
Oh.
And again, this one does not follow the rules, does it? That's why it is a sight word. Okay, so let's say this word. What was the word? Colt. Let's spell it out loud. Ready? C-O-L-T, colt. Okay, now let's, with the word colt right here, we're going to visualize this or write it in our brains. You can close your eyes or look down. And then count to 3, look at my word. 1, 2, 3. See if it looked the same as you wrote it in your head. Yeah. Okay, we're going to do 2 things to make sure that it really gets in our head so that we remember it. Okay? Let's take 2 fingers and we're going to skywrite. We can look at the word here or you can look at the word on my card. Ready? Spelling. C-O-L-T. Colt. One more time. C-O-L-T. Colt. And 2 times on the carpet. Ready? C-O-L-T. Colt. One more time. C-O-L-T. Colt. Nice work, first grade. So we had the sight word. What's this one? Bolt, and now we have colt, and we can review those tomorrow.
All right, so friends, without moving your tiles, we're going to point to the sounds that you hear, okay? I'm going to say a letter sound. I want for you to say it back to me. And then we're going to point at them on our board. The first sound is B. What sound?
B.
Good. Where's the letter sound? B. 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 Good. All right, the next sound is
What letter was that we were pointing to? B.
Good. All right, friends. The next sound is Eh. What sound?
Eh.
Good. What sound was that? What letter? E. Good. The next sound, friends, P. What sound? P. Good. Point to the P sound. What letter was that? P. Good. Next one. What sound? Good. Point to the sound. Good. What letter was that, friends? U. Good. Last one. The sound is T. What sound? T. Good. Point to the T sound. Good. What letter was that? T. Excellent. Okay, so now we are going to be moving our magnets. Listen carefully. I'm going to tell you a word. I want you to tell me the word back, okay? The word is north. What word? North. Good. Let's tap it out. Or. North. Boys and girls, what sound did the vowel make in this one? Or. What changed that sound? R. The R. Good. An R-controlled vowel. Good. Let's tap and spell that word out. Ready? N-O-R-T-H. Good. North. Go ahead and whisper, build that word.
Okay. Now let's retap and see if we got it right. Okay, tap with me and look at your word. Look at your word. Or north. Do you think it looks right? Yeah. Exactly.
When we made that last sound, was it one sound or two sounds? One sound. What tile did you use to make that sound? T-H. What is that called? When it's one sound but two letters? A digraph. Good. Go ahead and spell it away. Go ahead and spell it. Boys and girls, take out your workbook for me, please, and turn to page 31. On page 31, we have a key card up here. What's that key card you see? P. P. Let's say it together. I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger for us. All right, let's read our key card. Ready? P. Pig. Good. Very soft. Just a puff of air. Good. When we are writing our uppercase P, we start at the top line and we pull down to the base. We do not lift our pencils up. We creep back up to the top where we started, and that's when we start to curve our letter P. And we curve it until we get to that dash line. That's when we lift our pencil up. With your pencil, trace your uppercase ghost letter P. With the lowercase p, we're going to start at the dash line this time. So I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to pull straight down until I reach the dot line. Again, I'm not going to lift my pencil up. I'm going to creep back up to where I started, and just below the dash line, I'm going to start to curve my letter. And once I'm curving, I want to touch that dash line and then circle down, touch the base, and then just above the base, we're going to curve back to complete our letter P. Okay? Go ahead and trace your lowercase letter P for me. Boys and girls, you did so good in that lesson. I loved that your P's were so perfect and that you took your time with your pencils. Go ahead and put them in your pencil box.
Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the Groves Literacy Framework. Becoming a Groves Literacy Partner School begins with a meeting between a school administrator and a member of our GLP team. We look forward to speaking with you.